Hi, Sally Foley-Lewis here. Now, the other day I attended a masterclass on a topic that was incredibly technical. I know that much. Well, before I went in, I knew that much about it. If there was topic 101, for beginners, I was pre that. Now, by 9 o'clock in the morning, I was really excited to be attending this masterclass and learning more about this particular technical issue. By 9:15, I felt confirmed that I was on the right track to knowing. But by 5 o'clock in the afternoon, I was brain dead, confused, and really quite resistant to even stepping further into understanding anymore. Now, no one in that room, in that masterclass, would argue that that expert was anything but an expert. The presenter almost ate, slept, and breathed this particular thing. And he knew his stuff. He was passionate about it. So there wasn't a question of his expertise. But what concerned me was that I was standing at a fire hydrant getting just blown away with so much information. And it was too much. It was one of those moments where less is more. And while I'm a massive, massive advocate for managers sharing the why, because we don't share the why often enough so people get it and get engaged and get buy-in to a message, there comes a point at which we need to be paying attention to just when we're overloading. And I think it's a really good example, the experience I had of drinking from the fire hydrant, that when do I pull back? When do I just let that information settle in, allow the questions to emerge, and allow some more interaction to occur? Because when I allow my staff to ask me questions, that's the trigger of where I need to go with the information, as opposed to just turning the hose on full bore and pumping it at them. So less is more sometimes, something to think about. Let me know how you go.